Hello there, in this video we're going to be solving the following problem. Differentiate the function, well, the natural log of sine 2x add cosine 3x. Now to do this we're primarily going to be using the chain rule a lot. In fact, it's probably the only rule we're going to be using. So in this case, using a chain rule, we have to try to find the derivative of this. The natural log term right here is going to be f in this chain rule, and the inside here is going to be a g, because the natural log is on the outside. So what is the derivative of the natural log? Well, that's just going to be 1 over whatever was inside. And because whatever is inside is going to be staying the same, we just have to rewrite that. So it's going to be sine 2x add cosine 3x. And then we multiply this by the derivative of whatever was inside. So the derivative of all of this stuff right here. So first off, what is the derivative of sine 2x? Well, to answer that, we have to actually use the derivative, or rather the chain rule again for this one little term. So using a chain rule, we have to recognize that the sine part right here is on the outside, so that's going to be our f, and the inside part, the 2x, that's going to be our g. So what is the derivative, according to the chain rule, of sine? Well, that's just going to be a cosine, and we leave the inside the same, so it's going to be cosine 2x. Let me just make some room here actually. So it's going to be cosine 2x, and then we multiply it by the derivative of whatever's inside. So that's going to be 2x. The derivative of 2x is a 2, so we multiply 2 just out here, just to make it look a bit neat. And that's going to be the derivative of sine 2x. So now moving along to the second term, cosine 3x, we have to use the chain rule again. So what is the derivative? Because you have to recognize the outside, it's the same as the situation as the last. The outside is going to be cosine. So the derivative of cosine is going to be negative sine. So let me erase this positive there and put a negative. It's going to be negative sine. And then you leave whatever is inside the same, so negative sine 3x. Then you take the derivative of the inside, in this case 3x. That's just going to give us a 3. So we multiply it by 3. And that is going to be the entirety of this is the final answer. But just to make it look a bit nice and rewrite it, we can say the derivative of f of x, this is how it's denoted with a prime symbol there, is equal to, and well, on the top we're going to have basically 2 cosine 2x. Then if we multiply the negative through, we're going to have negative, then put this 3 over here out front, negative 3 sine 3x. All over, then the denominator right here, sine 2x, add, then cosine 3x. And this is going to be our final answer. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section below, and I do hope you're having a fantastic day.